Hello everybody, this is Jamshad Singh. I'm co-founder of My Blood Education, a digital and soft skills coach. One question I would like to ask you all. Are you using Facebook marketing? If you're not, then start doing it. You know what? Because Facebook has already around 3 billion users. Think about it. What a big opportunity it is. What a big market it is. Think about it, right? And already you know that marketing is the most important thing in any business, right? So in this video, I'm going to talk about 5 most important benefits of Facebook marketing, okay? So before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, then subscribe it and make sure to hit the bell icon, okay? So let's get started. The first point is grow brand awareness and traffic, right? Definitely, when you start using Facebook marketing, then many people start to know about your brand, right? And many people start to search you in Facebook, right? And as I said, Facebook has already 3 billion users, right? So when you start your campaigning in Facebook, then there are a lots of people, a lots of customers waiting for you, waiting for your service, waiting for your products, right? So when you are doing campaigning, many people begins to aware about your brand, right? And they visit your landing page in your Facebook, right? So that's how Facebook has to grow brand awareness and traffic, right? And second benefits is Facebook has to keep your existing audience engaged, right? As you know that there are many features in Facebook. You can post recorded videos. Also, you can share your live videos. You can create groups, right? Also, you can set chatbots, messenger chatbots, okay? So through these all features, definitely you can engage your existing audience, right? So that's how you do this. And Facebook is a flexible marketplace. And third point is drive revenue. Look, when you are getting traffic, okay, and already you have audience which you are engaging them, then definitely you will drive revenue, you will generate revenue, okay, because there are 3 billion people, there are many categories. So whatever service you provide, then definitely you will find that kind of customers in Facebook, okay. And next benefit is Facebook helps to educate your new customers. Look, when you are providing any service or when you are selling your product, whether it is online or offline, you should and you must educate your new customers, because maybe your customers does not know that how to use your service, how to use your product, right? So you must educate them, and Facebook is giving that opportunity so that in a big group you can educate them, right, easily. It is very easy. So as I said, Facebook is a flexible marketplace. And next is Facebook helps to provide customer support, okay. When you are not present, I mean when you are not online in Facebook, suppose any customer is asking any question about your service or product and you are not online, then how you can answer? There is a feature which is messenger chatbot. Through that you can solve their problems, right? And also you can create groups, that specific kind of groups where someone has any doubt about your product or service, they can share their questions and they will get the information, they will get the answer from you or any other expert customer, okay. So this is how it works. So definitely, I'm saying definitely, if you're not using Facebook marketing, you are missing the big opportunity. And hey, at the last, like, share and comment and have a good day.